Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone model and that you can access the associated Google account. This matters because methods differ by Android version and vendor. Once done, plug the phone into power and connect to Wi-Fi so downloads and verification proceed smoothly. Next, get a computer or second phone handy to follow recovery pages or to use remote services. Make sure you remember any backup PIN, pattern, or emailed recovery codes before moving into device options. Now attempt account-based recovery first. Go to Find My Device on the computer and sign in with your Google account. From there, you can attempt to ring, lock, or erase the device. Erasing removes the lock but requires the same Google account after. If that fails, boot into recovery mode for your vendor power plus volume combos. Once in recovery, choose Factory Reset. This clears data but restores access. Alternatively, check Smart Lock or any saved backup PIN to unlock without data loss. To finish, follow the device setup and sign in with the original Google account to pass Factory Reset protection. This verifies you and restores normal use. If you encounter FRP lock and cannot sign in, contact the device manufacturer or carrier with purchase proof. They can guide official unbricking steps. Finally, make sure to update Android and set a new strong password plus biometric unlock, and create a recovery plan with saved codes or a trusted account so you don't repeat this process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.